Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. And please supervise.
There we go.
This is the TTA Blue.
Attention travelers, your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety, please remain seated. Thank you.
Keep your stuff inside the car. It's going to start moving. There we go. It's funny, these they're linear induction or magnetic looping. So when it shuts down, they just kind of roll around until they stop. I don't think they have any physical braking aside from the induction motors.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight while on board. Thank you.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future, right by two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
It's weird to be able to see like contemporary.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you. Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing.
This is Starboard 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations.
Surprising 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today. Let relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The Golden Surprising 7. You H2O it to yourself. Book today.
I think we're here in Cape Town now. And there's the stars whizzing around. We're like actually open. Oh wow. Alright, we might actually go with it. Yeah. Nope. There it is.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Deep Space Nine.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Caribbean.